Well, on good news, the WDSU First Warning Weather Impact Day has been canceled. We still see some dark clouds depending on the direction you look, but the Hyatt Regency Cam looking pretty as we get a little bit of sun late in the day. But let's go to the last remaining strong storm that is right over Grand Isle. But as this heads a little farther southeast, it's going to be impacting nobody, but any just places, maybe hopefully the boats that are all in from that particular storm. Got a little bit of light rain as you get outside of Jean Lafitte and Lafitte, and a little light rain as you head towards around Lower Plaquemines and St. Bernard. But there's a look at the stronger storm here into Grand Isle, and the heaviest is right upon you, and lightning strikes picked up just recently, so you got about 4 or 5 strikes right on you. Very heavy rain, could be 1 to 2 inches per hour, but it's going to be out of here in the next at least 15 minutes or so. We're going to cross-reference that with our high-resolution forecast, the one that comes in every hour. This has done a great job since last night and through this morning, depicting that second round that came in, but everything is gone. By 8 o'clock tonight, the sun sets and it's beautiful, but just to look at how much rain we had yesterday, take a look at the CBD Warehouse District. 5 inches of rain was kind of a bullseye. Heard from Chief Meteorologist Margaret Orr, 6 inches at her house too. Nearly 5 in Terrytown, Gretna, West Bank, a lot of the West Bank with 4-inch rain totals and over. Bywater, Lower Ninth, just over 4 and about 4 1/4. And officially at Armstrong International too. In Mandeville, you just came in with about 1.5 inches of rain with at least a brief period of storms. Real-time temps, 60s to about 70, and dew points are right behind that best measure of the humidity in the air, and we've got that air temp awfully close to the dew point. That's the situation for fog potential when we get in these times of the season as we're working through spring and early fall too. So there's essentially the weak system working through, and the only things we got to look out for here the next couple of days, some fog potential Wednesday morning, Thursday morning. We got some pretty warm afternoons to come, which means a decent amount of sunshine here too. But by the end of the week into Friday, we're going to tap into another strong storm, and unfortunately the return of locally heavy rain. But this time around, the severe potential is the one that's catching my eye. So real-time Doppler radar, checking in with the latest high-res forecast just to confirm we're over and done with any of the storms from here on out, and there's no more impact day here in the WDSU First Warning Weather Forecast. Just a little fog potential, and our fog forecast does catch on to this, so give it an extra minute or two and tune in early here with meteorologist David Singleton in traffic with Deja. Upper 50s North Shore, some upper 50s to 60s South Shore to get up and going. We've got a decent amount of sun after we get rid of the low clouds and some fog potential tomorrow morning, and that brings that high temperature close to 80. And we're going to do the same thing here going into Thursday's forecast. Maybe some fog, temperatures kind of 50 to around 60, but we're looking pretty good with the sunshine forecast into Thursday. High temps upper 70s, maybe 78 to 79, but still awfully close to 80. Let's talk about the rain forecast into Friday and the potential for strong, maybe even severe storms. When you look at this picture, we're right in the corridor for a potential risk of strong storms and maybe some spin in the atmosphere. It's a 15% chance, but when it's issued this far out, we need to take it seriously. Locally heavy rain is also an aspect to look out for here too. It's going to be warm, it's going to be humid. Temperature pushing 80, those dew points close to 70, and right now it's the strong storm and severe threat that tops my list of what we'll need to be tracking, which we've already deemed a WDSU First Warning Weather Impact Day. Again, that's Friday, but the next 2 days are good. We'll just watch for that fog in the morning hours. Of course, we set the clocks ahead 1 hour this weekend. We'll lose that hour of sleep, unfortunately. Daylight saving time begins, but the temperature's looking pretty good, not all that much colder.